This is for hi, I'm Tipiso and I'm a third year education student at the University of Johannesburg. I'll be explaining question 6 for the maths test. I'm just gonna look down because I'm reading the questions from here. So I have to develop a video. The first question is explain what the chart below is about. The chart is about like the maximum temperatures of a particular region that are recorded throughout the year. So to find the maximum temperatures, the temperatures will like it's probably an average of the monthly temperature. So the temperatures were recorded, the daily temperature maximum temperatures were recorded on a daily basis, and then at the end of the month, after getting all the temperatures for that particular month, the temperatures were added, and then the sum was then divided by the number of days in that particular month. So let's say for January, because January has 31 days, the 31 temperatures recorded in January were all added together and then divided by 31 because there are 31 days in January. And then the second question, how would you show that which month had the least and which one had the highest? So from the chart, you just look at which month had the least temperature. So from our graph, it shows that June had the least temperature because it had its maximum was 17 degrees, and the highest is January because it has 28 degrees. It's the one with the highest point. The one with the lowest point is the one with the least. The one with the highest point is the highest, the one that recorded the highest temperature. And then the third question is, how would you correct a child who says the temperature difference between September and November is 10 degrees? So in September, it looks like our maximum in September is 20 degrees, and in November the maximum looks like it's 26 or 25.5. I can't be too sure. So I just go over the chart with the learner and then ask the learner to subtract the maximum temperature of September from the maximum temperature of November to see how much they get. And obviously it won't be 10, it will be less than 10. So I'll do that to prove to the learner and make them realize that they were wrong, and how to find the difference. Explain which part of the world this data might have been collected. I believe that this data was collected in the southern hemisphere, so this country might be, it's definitely not South Africa because our temperatures are much hotter than this in the summer. So it's a country in the southern hemisphere. I say this because from the temperatures we were given, you can see that June, July, and August are the colder months because the maximum temperatures are low as compared to the other months. So in June, July, and August in the southern hemisphere, those are our winter months. So that's how I know that this region where the data was collected falls under the southern hemisphere.